guys, it's Kristen. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be sharing my summer tablescape with you guys. I would say about 90% of what I'm going to show you is from Dollar Tree or a $1 item, and I'm so excited to show you what I came up with. It turned out so well. And this video is also in collaboration with my good friend here on YouTube, Albie, from the channel Albie Knows. She's also going to be doing a tablescape, and she is an online interior designer, so you do not want to miss her tablescape. I will leave her video and her channel linked in the description box below, so make sure you go check out her video once you're done with mine and let her know that I sent you. But let's get into the video. But first, I am putting down a table runner. This one is just from Amazon, and it's a bit too big for my table, but I think it's gonna look nice with our tablescape, so we're gonna go with it. Next, I'm putting down a natural material charger. I actually did a DIY making coasters from Dollar Tree items that look very similar to this, and I will link that below and put a time marker so you can check that out in case you want to make a bigger version. Otherwise, I will link this particular one below. Next, I'm putting the Dollar Tree plastic palm leaf plates. These are meant for outside probably, but they work just fine inside too. Next, I found this white little salad plate, and I'm going to set that in the center of my plate, and this is actually glass, but they are extremely nice and will work perfect for an indoor tablescape. Next, I'm just putting down a coaster that I already had. This actually came from Cracker Barrel, but you can find marble coasters anywhere, and Dollar Tree has coasters as well. This green glass wine glass came from Dollar Tree as well, and it complements the palm leaf plate perfectly. And then lastly, I have these super cute little geometric tea light holders. This is shockingly from Dollar Tree, and it came in black, but I saw them online in gold. So when I couldn't find the gold ones, I decided to just spray paint mine a coppery gold color. It was supposed to be copper, but it came out gold, but it looks pretty. It's like a brassy color. And then of course my tea light inside is just from Dollar Tree, and I am gonna go ahead and light that. Next, I am putting a pineapple in the center of my table. This is a real pineapple. I just spray painted the bottom half the same color as the tea lights, and that's a nice trick. If you don't want to go and spend $15, $20 on a pretty pineapple from Home Goods, buy a real one. You don't have to spray paint it, and you can eat it once you're done with it. Next, I'm using a cupcake stand that cost $1 from the Target dollar spot. This next item is a vase from Dollar Tree. I just put some of the white rock filler that you get from the craft section, and I wrapped one of the palm leaves that they carry now in the inside. And then I'm just going to take a flameless candle in white from Dollar Tree and put that in there. The rocks just give the candle a little height so that it peeks up over the leaf. Next, I'm taking a marble lid from a candle. This was from a Bath & Body Works candle, but it works great to add a little extra height, and of course the marbling is so pretty and on trend. I'm setting that down. I'm putting another one of the tea light holders that I spray painted, and then I'm taking one of the faux succulents from Dollar Tree. I just trimmed the stem, and I am popping that in the center for a little extra green touch. So that is it for my tablescape, you guys. I really hope that you enjoyed. Please make sure to check out Albie's video. The link will be in the description box below. Hit the like button if you enjoyed, and subscribe if you have not already, and I will see you back in my next one. Bye!